fridge. Once I went to the fridge, saw our jug in there, and I thought, what's in it? A sauce. What's sauce? Smell it. Smells nice. Finger in, finger in, finger in, finger in, near and lick it. Tastes nice. Lift the jar and drink a bit. Oh, this is good. This is pizza. Not long after, a few days later, I went to the fridge, saw our jug in there. What's in it? A sauce. What's sauce? Smell it. Oh yes, this is peach. Up again, lift the jar and drink some more, 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 and drink some more. Drink the lot. Not long after, a few days later, I went to the fridge. Sauce. A sauce. Yay! Here we go again. Lift the jar and fill my mouth with that thick, sweet juice. This isn't peach. This is. My mouth is full of a sauce. Thick cookie. A sauce. I wonder who put that there.